So now that I have my yearly revenue, that gives me the total revenue for the whole year, I can write a measure that is going to give me the percentage share for each month on the total revenue for the year. So I'm going to define a new measure. So this measure, I'm going to call it monthly percentage share. So monthly percentage share, and it's going to be equals to, you get it right, divide revenue by what did I call this? Divide revenue by yearly revenue. Okay, so divide the revenue for the month by the yearly revenue, hit enter, and then I'm gonna have to format this to percentage, and when I add this to the reports, let's see what we have. So this is the percentage share for each month on the total revenue. As you can see, the total revenue has 100%.